Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. I finally found a few goodies this week and wanted to share with you what I picked up, so I'm going to jump right on in. Alright, so the first thing that you're looking at is this super cute Echo Park paper kit, and it was $5.99, and I just love the colors. And I did see my friend Tina Kappa here on YouTube. Hi Tina. She shared this on her channel and I was like, oh, I hope I can find this one, but it's so cute. There's even cut aparts on the back of that. How adorable is this? I love this one. So you've got the snowflakes, and then you've got a cool white polka dot with the gray. The colors are really pretty. And then this is a stripe pattern. Then you got the darker color. It's like teal and navy. It's just a really pretty pad, and this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. You got a cute little moose and snowman scene. Extra cute, right? I'm just really loving this paper pack. And then you got this like plaid, and then that's the back of this one. And this one's a snowflake, and then I really like the stripes on this one. It's really pretty. And then you've got some really cute coffee or cocoa mugs. Absolutely adorable. And then that's the back of this one. And then this one right here is a really pretty snowflake pattern. And then you got the pretty blue on the back with that pattern right there. And then you've got a cute little banner with the adorable little bear. I hope this is focused, you guys can see. Super cute. And then look at this one. This is like, it looks like a sweater pattern to me. I just love this sheet right here. Adorable. And then that is the back of this one. If I can find another one of these, I'm definitely gonna grab it. And then here is the last page right here with the cute Christmas trees. And then this is like a black, kind of like a chalkboard looking paper right here. And then of course it comes with the sticker sheet. So you get a lot of different stickers with this little kit, and it's all for $6. So really cute find. I'm really happy with this purchase right here. All right, moving along, I was able to find the Maggie Holmes chipboard. It was $2.99, and it has a lot of really pretty chipboard elements, and I just really like this collection, and I believe I have the paper to go with it, so that's why I picked it up. Really, really pretty. I really like the houses right there. All things grow with love. Super pretty. All right, moving along, I did get the sticker pack, and I believe it goes with that same collection, and that was $2.19. Really fun. Then it also comes with the alphas, and then this is the back of this sheet right here. Really cute. And then you get some alphas on the back of this one, and they are foiled. So really nice set for $2.19. I was able to find the Snow and Cocoa snowflake stickers, and you get 38 stickers. And I already have the paper and didn't have the stickers to go with the kit, so I was able to find this. And then I was also able to find the Snow and Cocoa 10 die cut piece set. This is really cute right here. This is what it comes in the box. So I thought this was extra cute. And I've already started a project with this paper, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So I can't wait to kind of incorporate some of this stuff that I've picked up with the project that I'm working on. I did pick up this cookie set right here. You guys know I love to bake, and I thought this one was super cute, and it is the Sweet Sugar Bell. And as you can see, there's lots of different options for this cookie cutter, and then it also allows you to cut 4 cookies at one time, which is really nice. So that is why I picked this up, and it was $3.99. I did get one die. I got this Crafter's Companion mason jar die. I just thought it was really cute. It was $6.49. And this is what it looks like. I wish it was a little bit larger, because when you look at the picture, you're thinking, oh, this is a great size mason jar, but when you turn it over, it's actually tiny. But I don't know, I just kept looking at it, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it, because I might regret not getting it. So I just picked it up, and it's really cute. It has a really cute top, and it comes with little tags, and then you can also, you know, make it even more detailed with this little piece on the inside. So absolutely adorable. Sorry for the glare. And then I did find the Snow and Cocoa. This is the 12 tags. This is part of that whole Snow Cocoa kit. absolutely adorable. So yay, I am piecing together this collection, and that's what's in this collection right here. All those pieces and tags. I did find this American Crafts, what is this called? It's called a banner kit, but I don't think I would use it for the banner. I think I would just use it for like cute packaging, like for gifting presents or something like that. So that's why I picked that up. And then, well, actually, I have a couple more things. I did find these beautiful Maggie Holmes stickers. That's the open book 36 set collection. As you can see, it's super shiny, but look at those tickets. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it, but I love all the tickets and all the little words that says, hello, my dear, and capture this moment. It's really cute, and I picked up 2, and they were only $1.49, so really happy about that because I was wanting to find that. And then I picked up this, this is like cellophane, and this is made by Heidi Swap, and it has the cute white polka dots, and I figured I could use this around Christmas time, so picked that up, and it was $2.99. And then last but not least, I did pick up this Festive Crinkle shred, and I really like this one because it has a mix of white, red, and then it also has sparkly red in there as well. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's in there. It's kind of sparkly, and I thought, oh, this is cute, and I probably can use this with my craft fair that I'm working on. So yeah, I'm excited with this haul. I think I scored at Tuesday morning today. All right, that's all I have today. Please leave a comment, and if you have any questions, let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.